Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helps you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how you can change the language on your Facebook. How to do it? It's very simple. You don't even need to go to Facebook. You go to your iPhone settings, and now you go up here. You have a search here. We click on it, and here we just write Facebook. We wrote Facebook. We open this application here. We have an item, language, and we can add any language here or choose from these languages. Just click on it, and we automatically set this language in this application. As you can see, this is a very simple and quick way. Done. There is nothing complicated. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye. See you later.